Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut Expense Management, a comprehensive guide to help you efficiently manage your expenses using the Revolut platform. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to track, categorize, and analyze your spending, making it an ideal tool for personal and business finance management. To get started with Revolut Expense Management, first download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Create an account and set up your profile. Then link your bank account or credit card to the app. This will enable you to track your transactions and start managing your expenses. The key concept in Revolut Expense Management is categorization. Revolut automatically categorizes your transactions into different categories such as food, transport, and entertainment, allowing you to see where your money is going. You can also create custom categories to suit your specific needs. To categorize a transaction, simply go to the transaction history. Select the transaction you want to categorize and choose the relevant category. You can also add notes and tags to transactions to provide more context and make them easier to search. Another important feature of Revolut Expense Management is budgeting. You can set budgets for specific categories or for your overall spending. And Revolut will send you notifications when you exceed your budget. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. To set a budget, go to the budgeting section of the app. Select the category or account you want to set a budget for, and enter the budget amount. You can also set budgets for specific time periods, such as weekly or monthly. Revolut also provides detailed analytics and insights into your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back and save money. You can view your spending by category, time period, and location, and even export your data to a spreadsheet for further analysis. In addition to personal expense management, Revolut also offers features for business expense management. You can create a separate business account, add team members, and track business expenses. You can also generate expense reports and export them to accounting software. Best practices for Revolut Expense Management include regularly reviewing your transactions and budgets, and making adjustments as needed. It is also important to keep your account and transactions up to date, and to take advantage of Revolut's analytics and insights to optimize your spending habits. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Revolut, you can efficiently manage your expenses, stay on top of your finances, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you are an individual or a business, Revolut Expense Management is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your spending and make the most of your money.